Okay, here's TV resting comfortably. Here comes the horsey. TV. TV. You want the horsey? TV. Where you going? Nay. Nay. TV. Hey, buddy. Nay. TV, I want to be your friend. Nay. Nay. TV. TV. What are you doing? You want your friend? Nay. TV. You good boy? Nay. Nay. TV. You having a stare down with the horsey, buddy? You having a stare down? Is it alright? It's okay. It's okay. Just don't look at him. Don't look him in the eyes, okay? It's okay. TV. TV. What's wrong, buddy? What's wrong? Is it Mr. Horsey, your friend? Nay. Nay. Are you sad? Will your friend help? What about Mr. Horsey? Will he help? It's okay, buddy. It's alright. TV. Nay. Nay.